welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing hide and seek. Sorry if you see a typing, I did it by accident. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.
Bye.
And firstly, we're in Ethan's bedroom, I think it is. Yeah, Ethan's bedroom. And so firstly, we're going to head over to the pillow.
Bye.
Or the double bed.
Bye.
And so yeah. So over there I can see everyone's going. Yeah, let's go up, up, up. We made it. So next we're going to go into the pillow, and then we should spawn over here, and then we're going to drop down here and stay here for a little. Yep. So I see him, guys. Look, he's down there.
Bye.
Hello. Right, let's look in here. I can't really buy anything. I don't have any more Robux. I spent them on my clothes. Really. And if you want to join the giveaway, go into the description and there'll be my name, and then go into my profile on Roblox and then join the group of friends. It's my friend's account, and then whoever joins, we're going to do a giveaway. But you have to buy our shirt to enter. So yeah, let's see if we can get over to the the shelves. So let's go. I'll see them. I'll see you guys. Yeah, so we're going to the shelves. I see them at bed climbing up. 3, 2, 1. Run! Running for my life. Oh, I see someone come behind me. Come on, run. Oh, I see it. Oh, look at the dancing banana. Run, come on, make it, friend. I'm gonna go behind the B-Max. Look, I'm out, it's Bummo. Lol. Or his butt, you can say. It doesn't really matter. Right, for now, I think we're going to make it. There's about half a minute left. Well, a minute, basically. Yeah, here it is. If you want to join the giveaway again, you have to go to my profile, go into the group of friends, and then join it, and then you have to buy my friend's shirt. It's not that hard. I think we've made it. Yeah, we've made it, guys. I'm gonna head for a reef. Let's go.
Bye.
Let's go to Dance Banana.
Bye.
Oh yeah, dancing. I tried to do slushy dance. That's how you dance, a slushy space dance, and it doesn't really work. I wish it did. And there we did, we won, hooray. Let's see where we're going next then. Oh, we're going to the kitchen. Let's bake some cakes. I really hope I don't get it. I'm not good at doing it. Well, I am, but it'll be really hard. So, I'll do it now. So let's head over to the table. Let's go. Whee!
Bye. Bye.
Bye. So let's go to the table. What I just said. So if you jump on these black things over here, they make you jump high, and then you just jump on the chair. Hey, I'm getting up here. Go away. Go away. I'm going up here. Yes, good. 3, 2, 1, whee. Let's go. Oh, I only got them. I'm going to go to the other side and get down. Ha 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 ha. There's a secret thing in here that gets you up, not up there on the right, but behind me now. Up here. Oh. Up here. Yep, I'm up. Yay, I got some credits. Yes, got some. So this is going to be my last round, because I don't want to make this video too long. Yeah. Well, a quarter of 3 minutes left. Just gone. So let's just look in the kettle or wash off, or whatever you want to call it, really. Trying to save up these. Hopefully I can save up for one.
Bye.
Sorry about that, guys. I might just glitch. So let's go back over that. Didn't mean to go down here, but okay. I'll see him. It's over there next to the table. So yeah. So let's go over here.
Bye.
Oh, he's here. He's coming. Quick. Let's get up here. Oh, that's lucky. He's coming, lolly fell. I think so. Oh, sorry if you. A minute ago, I just muted myself. Oh, sorry. But just 2 minutes left. Oh, I found a credit. Wasn't lucky. I think we made it. Yeah. So, we probably won this one. Let's just stay here for a bit. I see him over there. He just jumped on the jump pad. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to the table. He's gone anyway, hasn't he? So yeah. So let's go to this jump pad again. Let's climb up. Wee, wee. Yeah, we've won. So guys, when this is done, I'm going to leave it here. So, I hope you're enjoying this stream. Well, not stream, but this video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe and like for more videos on Roblox. So, yeah. So, bye guys. Oh, he's coming. Peace. See you in the next video. Bye.